Hey, R2F here. I was in the middle of recording another video, a crypto airdrop tutorial, but I feel like this video needs more urgency. People keep getting scammed. I keep getting a lot of messages on my other videos of scammers, and then I see other people replying to those scammers, which is even crazier. So they got scammed one time, and then they're about to be scammed twice. In my own videos. Hell no, that's not gonna happen. Alright, so I'm gonna cover three main topics in this video. One, what can you do after you got hacked? Two, how to recognize when you're being hacked or scammed with real life example. This is gonna blow your mind. You don't know this one, I didn't know it either. And three, I'm gonna cover how you can navigate the crypto world in a safe, or at least the safest way possible. Alright, number one, what can you do after you got hacked? Please don't hate me for this one. I'm just being honest with you. I'm not Mr. Fat or anything. I'm just being real. You cannot do anything. So no one can retrieve your funds, your coins out of your wallet. Not MetaMask, not your exchange, not Mr. I can help you from YouTube, no one. Now, there are some things that you can do to prevent this, which we'll cover later. What I would do if someone hacked into one of my wallets, what I would do right away is to retrieve whatever coins I have left out of that wallet. If I have NFTs, I would do a little example. For example, I've heard that some people just try to get their NFTs, but then as soon as they put the money into the wallet, for example, Ethereum, the Ethereum gets stolen right away. So what I would do is just do a little example. Just put some like $5. Obviously, if you put $5 in Ethereum, only the transaction fee is going to cost you like $40. But the point is that you need to do like one little example. Just put some coins into your wallet. If you see that those coins get stolen right away because some bot just triggered that and just steal it right away, it means that whatever coin you put there is just going to get stolen and you need to forget about that wallet. What I would do is keep an eye on that wallet. Remember, you have to do taxes. So just what I would recommend is to keep that wallet on the side. Don't touch it until the end of the year. Just keep it for your tax purposes. This, I should be saying this, but I know that some of you are more experienced, but others are not. So I want to educate you on this. So look at this, guys. Please do not fall victim for this. Do you see this? Thanks to the name above for helping me recover back my funds. He's the best. And then he put here a name on Insta. And then there are others. Where is it? Here, WhatsApp. Here, they backed my MetaMask wallet successfully. That was hacked. And they put here a phone number. If you thought about replying to these people, as I saw some people doing, please don't. These are scammers. They're trying to get you. They cannot recover your funds. It's sad. I know it's sad. It hasn't happened to me. It could happen to anyone, honestly, but I know it's sad. But no one can help you. If this happened to you, I'm sorry. Just don't reply to these people. They're trying to get you back. Now, if you want to have some fun with them, like back and forth, whatever, just reply to them, whatever you want, but don't give them anything, any information. If you reply to them, just do it for fun purposes. But they will not help you, I promise. All right, so unfortunately, the one that I wanted to show you took out the website on time for me to record this. So now when you go to the website, you get this access denied resource error. So I couldn't take the video on time. However, I talked to this person here on Twitter and she mentioned that a couple of people got scammed. Here is the proof. She got some pictures and everything else. So the whole point here of this website was to give people some airdrops, but as soon as you enter into the website, they trigger your MetaMask for the password. How did I know this? Because I don't use MetaMask on this browser. As I mentioned in my other videos, I have two different browsers for different purposes. And here I have my MetaMask locked. So as soon as I enter into this website, they asked for my password. And I was like, really? What is this? What do you want with my password, with my MetaMask? So that's how I knew that it was a scam. So here's another one. And this one, there are a lot of people on Reddit complaining that they get hacked. And you know, if you take a look at the website, it's just beautiful. Like, look at this. Who would thought that that is a scam? I mean, it's just well designed. You get an airdrop here. It's just perfect, right? However, when you go to the actual post, look what people are saying about this website. 250K token in wallet. Be aware of scam. Don't sell or use them. Exactly. When you use them, when you try to swap that coin that you have in your wallet, you're simply going to waste your coin because there's not enough liquidity, meaning that you cannot get out of the trade. You cannot sell your coins because no one is able to buy it. So in other words, just providing liquidity to that scammer. You're just giving your money in the transaction fee to that scammer. So whenever you have these kind of coins, just don't sell it, don't use it. Now, a good way to see if these coins is a scam is by using an app called Road to Crypto. For example, here are 3 wallets, and as you can see, I'm going to use the Binance chain because my vast majority of the scams are done there. And if you go here to non-listed, you can see that I have like, what is that, $27. I know that on other exchanges I had like thousands of dollars. Anyways, but I have to whitelist this one. This is not a scam. But anyways, you can see there, you can go to this app and then see which coin is a scam or not. If you see something that you didn't buy that is like tens of thousands of dollars, nobody in the whole world is going to give you that for free, unless, you know, they're running a charity or something like that, but they got in touch with you, like, and you also have to be very careful about that. But yeah, you can check it like this. Just put your wallet here, like go to wallets, add a new here, and then just put your public wallet here. That's very safe. You cannot get scammed by that, don't worry. Public addresses are safe. All right, so that is one example of a scam coin. You can go to this website here and see a couple of examples. They have a bunch of them. All right, so let's take a look at the second one. Look at this, guys. So on one of my videos, the guy is promoting this. Just please don't send me anything to this email. I don't use it. So they ask here, hey, what happened? Did you miss your phones? Was it a transaction? What is a hidden fee? And then here at the bottom is the good stuff. Please provide the 12 recovery words linked to your wallet. Never, ever, no one, not even the most reputable exchange, not Coinbase, not Binance, not the IRS, not the government, no one. Please understand this, no one is going to ask you for your 12 recovery words. That is for you only. Your private key and your 12 recovery words are for you only. If you give that to someone else, they will have access to your wallet. They will be able to withdraw all the funds from your wallet. That is only for you. Public addresses are good to give out with some exceptions. For example, if you're going to participate in an airdrop, what I actually do is I have another address just for airdrop purposes only. So I give out my public address for airdrops to the airdrop event, and then on my day trading I have one wallet for my day trading, and then I have another wallet for my long-term investments. 3 wallets: long-term, day trade, and airdrops. This is what I recommend you to do. This is what I do. All right, guys, I want to cover another one. This is the last one because there are many, there are thousands of scams. But look at this one. This one is called the apy.org. So as this guy is saying, you receive 30,000 scam tokens, and then they ask you to exchange it to be able to receive the airdrop. So this is the website. It looks phenomenal as well. Like, these scammers have really good taste in design. I applaud that. But that doesn't mean that it's good to do that. So this guy is saying here, you can claim your airdrop. Fine. Look, you can even move the window. Just out of the box, this style looks very fishy, like it looks scammy. So basically here you have to connect your wallet, and then after you connect your wallet, it's going to ask you to trade. It's going to ask you to deposit some money, and then you'll receive the glorious tokens, the airdrop. Of course, that is fake. That is fake. On my next video, the one that I postponed to make this one, I'm going to cover how you can receive free coins, airdrops, in a safe way, in a real way that is not a scam. Alright, so let's see how you can prevent all this madness from happening and just navigate crypto in the safest way possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you what I do when trading. I'm going to close this, Chrome. So I use two browsers. I use Firefox for my day-to-day browsing experience, and then I use Chrome. You can use Chrome for both. However, if you use Chrome for both, this is what I would recommend to do. As soon as you open Chrome, you're going to be prompted with this screen, the new versions. I have multiple profiles. This one I don't really use it. I'm not going to delete it. But I have multiple profiles. You could have one for day-to-day browsing experience and one for trading. If you do one or you do the other one, the add-ons that you install is going to be separated in different folders, in different cookies, different profiles. So if you visit a website that is asking you for MetaMask, then it will not be able to access the other profile. That's safe. That's really good. It's meant for that. All right, so the second thing that I would recommend you to do is bookmark the websites that you use. So I have here my dexes, I have here my explorers, I have my bridges, my IPOs, I have everything that I use there, right? So just don't try to type it on Google or click on some websites, because there are a lot of chances that you could click on a bait. Last tip for this video, if you're using the same browser, make sure that you lock your wallet if you're not using it. Otherwise, remember, just watch my previous videos. All the tabs can access your wallet, and they can trigger phishing scams, pop-ups, and you don't want that. Now, if you're using a separate browser like I am, I use Firefox and Chrome like I mentioned, you don't have to lock your wallet every time that you don't use it. Simply just close all the tabs. Because if you close all the tabs, no one's going to be able to access your MetaMask anyway, right? So that's what I do. And then if you want to track your coins in a safe way, what you can do is download this app called Road to Crypto. This is what I use every day to track all my portfolio. For example, there are some coins that you cannot buy in an exchange, so you have to use a DEX, a decentralized exchange, for that. So and that's the use of wallets, right? So this is how I track my wallets. I just put my public wallet address there, which is super safe to give out, as I mentioned in this video, and then you can just track all your portfolio there. I use it every day. You don't have to, but this is what I use every day, and I'm recommending it to you. All right, guys, this is all. I hope you liked the video. Let me know down in the comments if I missed something, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you.